Hello everyone, this is the pre-market report video for today May 30th in the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Last night US market was on holiday but other Asian markets and some European market was open along with the Indian market. So first let's have a quick look on what happened on Indian market and European market yesterday and then we can discuss about what we can expect today. Yesterday, Nifty opened a gap up of 120 points and throughout the day it maintains that range, but in the end it closed slightly less than that of the opening and below 18,600. For example, both Sensex and Nifty increased by around 0.5%, whereas Bank Nifty increased near 0.7%. Then yesterday too, for the 6th consecutive day, both FII and DII were net buyers. FII net bought for over 1,750 crore rupees, while DII net bought for near 850 crore rupees. Together, the net bought value is 2,600 crore rupees. Here, it's worth to note, for the last 22 straight sessions, more than 1 month, FIIs were net buyers except only one day. I mean, totally they bought for over 25,000 crore rupees in the last near 1 month period, which everyone now consider that as very positive and expecting Indian market to move further above. Then coming to European market, most of them opened positive but ended the day on a negative to flat note. However, throughout last night and now in the morning, US future market is trading 0.3 to 0.5% positive. Yesterday in the pre-market video, I said US President and Republican leader McCarthy reached the deal to increase the debt ceiling to $31.4 trillion US. But that's not true, that's not the case, it's even better. They agreed to suspend all debt ceiling until Jan 1, 2025. Which means till Jan 1st, 2025, there won't be any debt ceiling, so the US government can borrow a lot. In terms of oil, this new inflation worries started to affect, which made the oil to decrease around 1%. But now at the time of this video, in the last 1 to 2 hours, it regained and moved positive of around 0.5%. WTI crude oil was trading near $73 US per barrel and Brent crude oil was trading around $77 US per barrel. Then regarding SGX Nifty at 3 AM Indian Standard Time, it closed at 18,694, which is kind of indicating flat to 30 points gap up opening. So that's all about what happened yesterday. Now coming to today's Indian market related info. First, just for info, at present both ITC and Nestle India are in the bidding war to acquire the company called Capital Foods, maker of Ching's Secret Szechuan noodles. ITC values the business for 4,000 crore rupees, whereas Nestle values between 4,000 to 5,000 crore rupees. Anyway, in the next 2-3 weeks, we might know who is the winner. Another info, today is the final record date for ITC dividend, so either today or most probably tomorrow, we might see that impact. Moving on, yesterday, Reserve Bank of India held a conference for all the bank's directors on private. Then in the aftermarket hours, RBI Governor's speech transcript was released. If anyone fancy reading the whole, I'll attach the link in the description below. Please have a look. Transcript summary. Basically, he warns all the board directors against about their smart methods that how they were hiding NPAs. He didn't mention any particular bank, but he cited some examples such as good borrowers being persuaded to enter into structured deals with a stressed borrower to conceal the stress. Second, use of internal or office accounts to adjust borrowers' repayment obligations, etc. Here, honestly, I don't know how market will take this, but I recommend to be watchful. Since the RBI governor issued the warning in the closed conference, personally, this is not good for entire banking sector. Again, market might simply ignore the news as well. About quarterly results, Adani Transmission released their earnings. Regarding that, their revenue was up 12.9% at near 3,350 crore rupees as compared with an estimate of 3,185 crore rupees. However, their EBITDA only increased by 27.3% to around 1,200 crore rupees as against an estimate of over 1,700 crore rupees. So simply, its revenue beats the estimation, so growing more than expectations but didn't make enough profit as analysts expected. Finally, regarding Reliance, US-based multimedia company called NBC Universal and Geo Cinema, Viacom 18 streaming service, have entered into a multi-year partnership to offer Hollywood films and US TV series in India. Now, under this partnership, Reliance OTT platform will streamcast NBC Universal's production entities and brands. This is a huge deal since NBC is one of the big 3 television networks and major Hollywood film producer in US. So now Geo Cinema can compete against Netflix and Amazon. So as a summary, at present global momentum is marginally positive, but as I said, there are some negativity around inflation. However, SX Nifty is indicating a positive opening, but again remember RBI's warning. I don't know the impact, but it can be a party spoiler. About the things to look out, Adani Ports, Torrent Pharma, Apollo Hospital, Bajaj Healthcare, Marksans Pharma, India Bulls, Suzlon and V-Guard are some of the major Indian companies' earnings results are scheduled release today. In terms of macro, there is no scheduled release that I am aware for India particular. However, during our market hours from 12:30 PM to 2:30 PM, there is a schedule for release of various European countries' CPI, PPI and consumer confidence data. Here, as long as there is no drastic change, we don't need to worry too much. And in the night, US consumer confidence data and various housing price related are some of the important items that we need to watch out for. Coming to technical, Nifty opened with a gap up and traded within a range of 18,585 to 18,640 throughout the day. Thus, it forms the very short, small-bodied bearish red candle with a short upper and lower shadow. The formation of a small candle suggests that indecisiveness between buyers and sellers. Basically, Nifty experienced a relatively stable trading session. However, it managed to break out of its consolidation phase, indicating a potential shift in the market direction. The daily momentum indicator, which was lagging earlier, has now finally provided a bullish crossover, which is now in sync with the price action. And the daily Bollinger Bands have begun to expand, and with prices moving along with the upper band, suggests that the uptrend is likely to continue. Thus, now both price and momentum indicators are pointing towards a continuation of the positive momentum. Overall, from a short-term perspective, expecting the Nifty to target levels of 18,800. In terms of levels, 18,700 to 18,800 will act as an immediate hurdle zone, while the gap area formed today in the range of 18,500 to 18,580 will act as a crucial support zone. Then, in case of Bank Nifty, it had been struggling to cross and sustain above 44,160 levels for a while. However, yesterday it opened with a strong gap in line with Nifty and was seen trading comfortably above 44,200 levels. Though it gave up some gains towards the end, it managed to close firmly above the breakout area, suggesting a move towards 45,000 is possible to be seen in the coming days. Since Bank Nifty has witnessed a fresh breakout, unlike Nifty which has been trading considerably above the previous breakouts, we might expect a strong outperformance by Bank Nifty going forward unless this new RBI warning didn't affect mains. Then from options engine open interest, there was a huge number of significant call options unwound between 18,200 to 18,600 and 18,500 got the new maximum nearby put options added without no new call options. So 18,500 is the immediate support, and if it breaks, then 18,400 is the strong support. Then regarding overall options open interest data, 18,600 got the significant short straddle and the maximum nearby call option open interest is at 18,800 and followed by 18,700. Thus 18,800 is the significant hurdle. Then coming to Bank Nifty, based on overall options open interest data, the maximum nearby call option open interest with less short straddle is at 44,500. So 44,500 is the resistance to break, and the maximum put option open interest with a less call option open interest is at 43,500. Thus 43,500 is the support to look out for. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing the channel and liking the video so it will help me beat the algorithm and will also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I am doing it for my and viewers' educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.